Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Nwarinma. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make puff puff. Like this video, subscribe. Turn your notification on to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let me take you straight into the video. Here guys, I have 2 cups of flour. I have a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of grounded nutmeg, and I have a tablespoon of salt with half cup of sugar and water. By mixing my dry ingredients, I'm sieving my flour to make sure there's no lump. I go ahead and add my yeast, my ground nutmeg, salt, and sugar. I'm mixing everything together. I mix until combine. Make sure you mix everything together. In this recipe guys, I only use a cup of water and I'm adding it bit by bit. Mix it properly to make sure there's no lump. And if you mix it well, you will see a good consistency for the puff puff. As you can see, the consistency is coming out. See the consistency, guys. That's the consistency to make a good puff puff. Yes. You can see guys, it's well mixed. So I'll go ahead and cover it and set it aside for 40 to 45 minutes. Then I go ahead and wrap it. I put it inside my oven, but you can put it any one place that you decide. It's up to 40 minutes. So I've taken it out of the oven. So let's see the way it's rising. 1, 2, go! It's rising well, guys. Check it out. You see? Again, to make sure there's no remaining air. I'll go ahead and start frying. I left my oil on. Now I'm going to fry it on a medium to high heat. So I like my puff puff golden brown. I believe it's done, guys, so I'm transferring it into my colander. So I'm doing the same thing. Guys, I'm going to leave the ingredients that I used to make this puff puff in the description below. So make your own puff puff and send it to me. You can send it on my Instagram at Magazine. So you keep turning it until it's well done. I believe it's done, guys, so I'm transferring it to my colander as well. This is the finishing product, guys. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like this video, subscribe, turn your notification on to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you soon.